How to switch to a new password manager. We have tested all the top contenders and our guide makes switching to a better password manager simpler than you might think. Does your password manager have all the features you want? Does it store your credentials, generate new password, fill out forms automatically, capture and fill password for desktop applications, fill password on mobile apps, include provisions for a digital legacy, offer multi-factor authentication, or have secure storage and a VPN. If you are using a password manager that does not have all the features you want or need, it's time to make a change. Many password managers offer free trials of their premium tiers, so you can bounce between services before settling on one to use every day. The perfect password manager is easy to use, so you don't go back to storing your credential on past IT notes or worse, using the same password for every login around the web. Finding the best password manager may take some trial and error, but luckily switching is easy. Here how. The best password managers we have tested. Method 1, export and import. You can export your password and from filling information from your current password manager to a file on your computer that you import into your new password manager. Most services allow you to save the file with the service's special file name. The services may allow you to export login information such as usernames and password via a CSV file to CSV may not contain all the information you stored in the old password manager, such as your addresses, phone numbers, or credit cards. However, your new password manager may not allow imports from your old one. So, if you are switching to a manager with limited import abilities from other password managers, a CSV file is a good place to start when it comes to entering your old information. After you have saved the file to your computer, install the new password manager. During the setup process, the password manager will ask if you want to import your current password information, which is where your new files comes in. Import either the specialized file or the CSV file to the new password manager and you are all set. Method 2. Use two at a time. Unlike antivirus tools, most password managers play well with each other on your computer, so you can have two password managers running at the same time. This means you can install a new password manager without removing the old one. Every time you go to a site with a login, the old password manager fills in your credentials and the new one captures that information to add to its collection. This process is slower than the first method and it can result in not transferring password you don't use frequently. Maybe it's time for a change. If you are losing faith in your password manager for any reason, if it is getting to be a core to use, take the time to switch services. Check out our roundup of best password manager. We have a list of free password managers and password managers for business too. We lean toward products that combine powerful security, a rich features set, and smooth user experience. It may also be time to adopt a new way of logging into your account. You can create passkeys for a growing number of websites, which gets rid of the need for password altogether.